So Twitter is also changing the way we do things and the way we communicate and the power of words. You have new characters that are being introduced. You got the @ symbol, which basically means how you communicate to other people, and you say, okay, well, I want to send a message to you, so I'll just Twitter and I'll just add the @ symbol to say I'm speaking to you in my tweet, and that will refer. Everybody can read it, but it's a conversation, say, I'm having with you. Another very, very interesting character that's brought is the hash, which would allow me to tag in a tweet specific a tag that would allow me to add it in a tweet, and basically allow other people to search that tweet through that character. So now I'm talking about social media, and people who are interested in that will be able to find it through the tag. I thought of explaining this in a better way. So what's happening right now is the ash cloud. You all know. You will know that a lot as we are speaking, and actually I have a couple of American friends here stranded in Belgium. They can't leave because of the ash cloud. How Twitter is, what kind of conversation, or what's actually happening on Twitter. KLM, the way it works is that a lot of people are retweeting what others are saying. So let's say the London Girl blog is saying, okay, well, KLM is saying that they will fly back passengers from Curaçao and Suriname, and KLM itself is tweeting, so they'll say, okay, well, the flight of Curaçao will start at that time, Dutch time, the flight, so they're really communicating with their customers, KLM, and through this crisis, and informing them about the situation as it happens, and others are retweeting that and talking about what is happening in the ash cloud, and if planes are able to take off or not. Another more creative tweet I found, which was quite interesting, is Lisbon to London. So someone took the initiative to create a specific user and rent cars. Why not? I mean, it's a booming. Everybody's trying to look for ways to try to go somewhere. So this is a company that rents cars, and will say, well, there's two left places. Whomever wants to go from Madrid to London, please contact that address, and we'll give you a ride. Eurocontrol is also using tweet, so it's also tweeting, and it's communicating with the different customers and the different people about how they are. They're actually even answering questions. So here, someone is asking, who's on Bordeaux, and is asking what are the situations there, and Eurocontrol is answering back. So that's a bit of an example of how Twitter is being actually used, and how the power of what it can do and how people can communicate through Twitter. There were on AshCloud, there were 700 just yesterday, 7 tweets, about 1,980 tweets this week, so a total of 3,680.